In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove duplicates from Excel. So what we're going to do is just select the area that we want to remove the duplicates from. So in here, I have some duplicate numbers in some rows. I'm just going to use this August rows and this fake sales chart. And all you're going to want to do is select that area, like I just did, and then go over to your Data tab on the top, right? And then you're just going to want to click this button that says Remove Duplicates. You're going to click on that, right? Now, this may ask you, hey, do you want to select the rest of your sheet and check for duplicates everywhere? Right? I only want to get rid of the duplicates in this row. I want to get rid of all these hundreds, right? So I'm going to hit Remove Duplicates. This box will pop up. I'll just hit OK. And there we go. 25 duplicate values found and removed. 2 unique values remain. So I left my 100 and my 50. No duplicates in this row, right? I could also do that for this group as well. I could remove all the duplicates in that if I wanted to. But that's how you do it. That's how you remove duplicates inside of your cells, inside of Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.